It's another beautiful day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it, and I'm glad that you could join me. Welcome. So, parts came in. Let's see if we can't get up to the shop and get Eileen all back together and, see if it's going to work. I mean, this is going to be fun. Oh, and yeah, we better be careful skipping because this grass is slippery and wet. So here's the belt that we ended up with. It's a 1/2 inch by 47, and this original old one that is just trashed measured out something around there. It's almost like a 3/8 or something. It's I don't know. Regardless, this is the closest belt I could get, but the inside diameter is the same, and I think it'll work. At least we're gonna try and make that work. Before I went to go parts shopping and finding a belt and then looking for that pulley, I decided, since I knew this pulley probably wasn't going to be an easy find, I went and took some ATF and mixed it with a little acetone, and I put it in a container and I threw it in there. And sure enough, I couldn't find anything that would match this. I found some that had like a bigger inside diameter. I found some that were taller, and they might have worked because they kind of matched here, and I could have just ground and trimmed. We could have made something work, but I didn't really like it. So when I came back with the belt, I started working this. And as you can see, it spins now. So after I got it kind of working good, I pulled this seal back a little bit and I hit it with some lubricant, and I just kept working it and working it. And then I took the same said container and filled it full of waste motor oil, and I dunked it in there and just let it soak with that seal kind of pulled back. And I just kept working it. Now I think we have a working pulley. So let's see if the Kix Bryant Snowcaster degreaser spray will work on a Boelens. And let's degrease Eileen down a little bit, and then we can assemble it back together. Do you have a greasy lawn or garden tractor that you need to degrease? Ew. Well then stay tuned, because the following product is just for you. Hi, I'm Kix Bryant. You may know me from my renowned YouTube channel, and with my all-new Kix Bryant oven degreaser spray, cut! Hi, I'm Kix Bryant. And with my all-new Kix Bryant Snowcaster degreaser spray, you'll never have to worry about which degreaser to use to clean your project. Is that good? Is that good? I didn't say it's just oven cleaner. Just look at how good it works. all right. Enough horsing around, Kicks. So this got clean. I mean, yeah, clean enough that you could eat off of this. This turned out nice. Even has original white paint on a lot of it. So I threw a little lube on the chain, but I guess now all that's left to do is to reassemble the shaft and get it put in here. I'm not going to put the deck on yet. I want to first test drive it with that the clutch and the new belt and everything before assembling it all. So we do need to get that together because I have to run the belt through it. So let's get the spindle all put together and get it assembled, and let's go for a test drive. This is going to be fun. Well, everything's all cleaned up, and look, there's even still original white paint on a lot of this stuff. So cleaned everything up. Even the bolts, wire wheeled them, got those all cleaned up. Everything looks good. So I guess we just need to put that in there maybe. Yeah, like that. And then put our belts on here. Like that. Yeah. And it goes in this way. Come on, go into your home. There you go. And line up the keyway. There we go. Put the snap ring on and it's ready to get bolted in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Uh-oh, we got a problem. So I got the belt on, and even without, look how tight that is. It is just way too tight. There is no way that we will have a clutch, and everything's fine. It's actually down here. It's almost hitting the guard there. So yeah, I need to get an inch bigger belt. I guess that's what happens when you deal with equipment that, you have no manuals or anything for. So I'm going to go run and get a belt, and then we'll give this another try. You and you, because I don't want to come back. Not sponsored. And we're back. So, bad news is it didn't fix itself while we were gone. So, I did, however, throw the next size up belt on there, and look at that. That is way better. So, I need to tighten up a few of these loose bolts, tighten this thing down, and then we can go find the pulley. I think it's soaking in a nice warm oil bath. So, let me get those tightened up, and then we'll find that pulley. Good job. Squirt, 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 squirt. And there we go. There we go. What are you doing? Oh. And there we go. There we go. Mower deck engagement system all put back together. Check. Grease on the spindle. Check. Our pulley is out of its relaxing oil bath and ready to get back to work. So, yeah, I think it feels good. I think the belt feels fine. So if we, let's see if I can't, here we go. There we go. So I guess all that's left to do is get Eileen rubber side down. I'm not going to put the Mordek dealie on there yet because, I don't know, we might have to go to a different belt, but that one feels good. So regardless, let's get Eileen down, rubber side down, throw some go-go juice in her, and give this thing a test spin. This is going to be fun. Well, here's the part of the video where we go for the test drive, and the belt works perfectly, and we pull wood and all kinds of cool stuff with it. But I went to pull start it, and the pull cord stuck out, and I went to remove it, and that happened. So good news is it's missing a part. See, there's one there. Well, there's not one on that side. So, yeah, that thing. Right? And it holds that on. So, that happened. Good news is, though, good news. Remember when we were looking for that bolt? That's the little piece we found. So, we're blessed there. We have the piece. It just needs to get all assembled. The bad news is I'm out of time for this video. So we're blessed that we have the piece and we get to put it all together. However, we don't get to test drive this thing again. So till next time, don't forget, be blessed. Peace. Have you ever noticed it's always the littlest parts that have the greatest consequences? At least we have it. Be blessed. Peace.